Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I'm going to recreate my enemy AI using behavior trees, and the first step would be this enemy character will select some random location around him and go to that location and wait a bit, and then he will continue the same like this. Now he waits and wait, and then he continues. Now again wait. So I'm going to implement this simple behavior with behavior trees, and this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so at the moment I have been using this AI human AI controller, which I have defined by just like a normal blueprint. So I haven't used any of the blackboards or behavior trees here because I was kind of reluctant to use them, as I felt like that was too much work at the time. But since I got couple of requests to do the same thing that I have done with my this AI controller blueprint using behavior trees, I'm going to give it a try. So okay, let's get started. I'll create a new folder called AI. So I'll put everything related to behavior tree and AI here. So first, instead of this AI controller, I'll create a new AI controller. It's not listed here, so then I'll select blueprint class and controller. Okay, I select this. Right, now I'll name this one AI. What is the name I used before? AI human, right? This is also AI human PT because I'm using behavior trees this time. Okay, and also to work with this, so this is the AI controller. Here we don't have anything yet. So now we need to define two things to set up behavior trees. One is behavior tree and the other one is blackboard. So this is behavior tree. I'll call this one human, no, PT human. So this is the behavior tree, the so-called behavior tree. And also we need another thing, blackboard, BB human. So this blackboard is sort of like I can create variables here, and we can use, modify, do stuff with this behavior tree. Okay, let's see how we use it. Okay, now first thing is, in my AI controller I need to tell which behavior I should run. I can do it like this, run behavior tree, and here I can select this BT human. Right, now I'm going to do a simple thing. So all I'm going to do is select some random point around the character and go to that point and wait few seconds and then go somewhere else. And I have set up everything like nav mesh and character here. This is the same character that I have been using throughout my tutorial series. So okay, now this is the new AI controller, and I'll select this character and assign AI human BT instead of AI human. And if I play this, it is not doing anything at the moment. It's just a dumb character who can't do anything. Right, Now this is the root of the behavior tree, and if I drag a line here, I can see three things. So select simple parallel sequence. I'll select sequence for now. So here from left to right we can define some tasks, and this AI controller will execute those tasks from left to right. And by default I have these tasks: make noise, move directly forward, move to. Okay, so I'll do move to, and here I need to give the target location. So to define the target location, I need to define a blackboard key here. So the target location is should be a vector. So I'll create a vector. I'll name this move target. Okay, and now I can select. Oh, wait, I can't select yet. Okay, so first I need to define. I need to set this move to variable. I can do it here. Here we can add a new service. A service is something like a function that we can use to update these behavior tree keys. So I'll add a new service, and by default it is named like this. So I'll go here and I'll name this one srs set location, set set, not set location, set move target. Okay, and here under events we have this receive event receive activation AI. So this will be called whenever we call this set move target service. I'll compile this. Now here I can add this as a service as set move target, and here I can get a reference to controlled pawn. Get controlled pawn, and then I can access get actor location, and I'll get some random location around this character, and reachable point in radius like this. And for the radius I'll give 2000, and I'll set the output of this value. I need to set it to this move target. So to do that I need a variable to access that. So the variable should be in the type of blackboard key selector. I'll name this one bb key, and then set value as vector like this, and compile. Okay, but still I can't see. This is invalid. Alright, yeah, here when I haven't select, I have select the root or nothing. I have to set the blackboard asset, so I have to set this bb human, and after that I can set. Alright, and here as well. And here when I select the set move target, I don't have a way to select which key I should update. I need to update this move target key, but still that's not visible, just like here. That's because I have to set this one to instance editable and compile. And yeah, now I can select the key. And since move target is the only key I have to select that. Okay, and after that I'll wait. um, 5 seconds it says here, and also I'll add a deviation of 3 seconds, so I will wait some random time after 5 seconds, and that means plus or minus 3 from 5 seconds. And then I'll select another random location and restart again. Let's see how it works. Okay, he went over there and stopped, and yeah, he's going again somewhere and stopped, and again he's going somewhere and stopped. So I'll show you. Yeah, here since I have selected that AI controller, I can preview it. So now it's moving. Let me put it like this so that you can see it in the runtime. Where is that guy? Where did he went? Oh, right here. Okay, now you can see this guy is now moving, now waiting, and now moving, and now waiting. Alright, I'll stop here for today, and in the next time I'll look into do some advanced actions for the AI, maybe like following a path, doing some patrol routines, things like that. And yeah, that's all for today. And yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. patreon.com/codelikeme. And also I have uploaded a source code update last time, this on this poison arrows and frost arrows, and feel free to check that too. And see you in the next episode. Goodbye.